Hello, my name is Doug Welch. I'm a Tri-City resident, nearly 59 years, lived in the same house going on 31 years. Our community is the most giving community anywhere. I have had the best month that I have had in years with what Jason and Smile a Mile has blessed me with. Everybody knew what their job was, what their position was, what they needed to do to make it all happen, and it was like a fine oiled machine. I sat here, I was amazed. There was more than just a little bit of work that needed to be done. The whole west side of the house, Jason did not hesitate at all taking care of that. And I had offered to pay for the wood and whatever that took, and he would not let me pay for that. So it was more than just a house painting. It was basically a house makeover. It turned out beautiful. And the wood on my house looks absolutely new. It's crazy how they did it and how fast they did it.